Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. This is going to be a quick look at the Russell again, looking at the stochastic and how it plays out, and looking at a different time frame. Again, this is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. I'll be placing this out here on my YouTube page for you, a couple of people who like watching this stuff and all. I will be taking that other one down, and I'm putting a little bit more information out here than what I should be putting and all, but I don't tell you what I'm putting, but it's up to you. First of all, up right now, this market, you know, the last couple of days have been good days. Nice down play. I recorded that day. This downward play that one of my indicators was giving me, and plus the stochastic was giving that indicator. As you can see, I'm looking at a different time frame than what I was looking at on the other day. I'm looking at a 15-minute time frame. I would point that out. I was seeing that the market didn't want to go any higher. We had supply back over here, and if the market couldn't break that supply was steady selling, and consolidating in this area. And then when the market opened, there's more supply than actually demand, and we got to drop all the way down to what I call my L2 level. Then the market hung out down here. But the play was from up here to down here. That was the thing. And indicator was also giving us showing that it was okay to play it to the downside. It was at the top on this different time frame. So that's the one thing that I want to point out from the other day. And then today, the indicator, again, it was at pre-market it was here, but we was already down at an L1, and it couldn't break an L1 level. Again, this market is still, you know, what I would call consolidating. That's all it's doing. In September, October, I don't know if the big guys, I don't know how you want to call it, the big guys getting in, the big guys getting out. But we tend to see a lot of selling. And then as I was explaining to somebody this morning, even though you see a lot of selling in the market dropping, somebody has to be buying that product and all. And who's buying that product? The big guys are, the big money is. And they're probably accumulating at this time, I would say. I don't know. I don't look at these other indicators that kind of tell you that type of stuff, but just based on what I'm seeing on the chart, that's what and I'm playing a much smaller time frame, so it doesn't really matter to me what they are doing. It's just how I'm going to play my trades based on what I'm seeing. And again, this morning, this thing went up a little bit higher, but again, I had my level up here where I wasn't expecting my indicator. Again, my indicator was telling me we couldn't break this level before. So on opening, playing it here to the upside, then playing it again, another downward trade down to this level right here, and I was done. I was done really early this morning, and now it's chopping here, and that's what I'm looking at right now, this chop, and that's the thing that I want to talk about. If you're going to go long down here, because right now the market is saying it's okay to go long, where do you want to get in at? I usually like getting in a couple of points off that bottom. I can use this bottom, I can use that bottom, you know, and these bottoms right here are a couple points apart. That's 81, and you're saying 83. So again, I can get in as high as 85. So when it comes down to 85, and as you can see, that's where it's been coming down to, and then I can play it back to the upside. And me playing it to the upside, I try to get as many points as I can, and just play it back and forth. And then from the top side, it was asking, okay, we can see that this market had a little basing right here just below previous day low. That's what this line right here represents, this brown looking line. And that's also a pivot. That's support 1. It was bouncing off support 1 and actually broke down on support 1. Will it come back? Support 1 is acting as resistance, look like almost in previous day low, real close together. So again, when it gets close up to here, or that's 2200, also a round number, I want to get short maybe as low as 98, right where that topped out, or maybe 96, 2 points off that top, and that's where I want to get short at. Again, now my stop is 2 points if it breaks that, or I can have the worst case stop if it breaks this and look like it's getting ready to go higher. That's all I really want to share. This is Solomon from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Hope you guys had a great morning trading, and have a great rest of this week trading. Again, talk to you guys later. Bye.